what is due to what we call the Yoruba people of Nigeria. So, if God would allow us, if people would allow us, we will go from one embassy to the other embassy, stressing the Yoruba nation cry. We will let the world know systematically, without riot, without violence, that the Yoruba nation is a civilized nation, has been civilized from time immemorial, and we cannot condone.
As you now say, we are in the Republic of Benin Consulate, to come and tell them to leave Igboho alone, that they shouldn't return Igboho back to Nigeria. That's why we are here now. And you see the people that come the way down here in the car, in their embassy, one of the embassy in London. That's what we are, that's the reason why we're here.
There are no rioters. There are no revolutionaries. They are only asking for what is due to the Yoruba nation. Our rights, our determination to be able to dig the gold, the oil, and everything that is ours, and harvest our cocoa, and use it for our well-being, not to give it out to people who will never appreciate it or who will never appreciate us. If you want to share part of what we have, we shall be glad to share with you. But don't take what is ours and use it for yours, and we don't get nothing. So, on this issue, we are here. God has chosen you. But all Israeli law, púpọ̀ ló kọ́kọ́ lọ báyìí. Àwọn kan the job ahead of us is very simple. We need to take our prize. We need to take our shout, our call for international justice to every nation that is situated in the United Kingdom, and let them know, embassy by embassy, we have sworn to let them know exactly what is happening. So if the United Nations come in tomorrow to want to sit over the nation called Nigeria, yes, they would have enough evidence, they will have enough proof in their hands to show that people are being captured, people are being kept without justice, people are in prison without justice, and the land is being ravaged by hoodlums, by bandits who claim that they are under the auspices of government. This cannot continue to happen. This should not happen. A lè má pọ̀ ní báyọ̀, wàá pọ̀ ju àwa táwa ní báyìí lọ. Torí kankan nu wa ló lẹ́bí. Ẹbí ni Yorùbá fi ń ṣayé. Ẹbí wa ẹnìkan kan bí báyìí. Ó máa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ yìí. Ó máa sọ di ńlá, ó máa sọ di ògidì. Mo ò fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kó má tún lọ pọ̀ jù. Torí ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀, àyè ò sí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká get ara wa together. Bá ṣe máa wo embassy kankan. Ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, ẹ ṣe látàárọ̀ tẹ́ fi ilé àtọmọ́lẹ̀ tẹ̀wá jókòó. Ẹ̀yin baálé ilé, ẹ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ọwọ́ yín ò ní pọ̀ sálẹ̀ àpò. Ojú ò ní tì yín o. Ẹ bí ọmọ ní já nǹkan kan lẹ́yìn yín o. Agbára Ọlọ́run, gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ ń wá lọ́lọ́run máa ṣe fún yín.
Àmín Jésù.
Ẹ jẹ́ a ní sùúrù fúnra wa. Torí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gba sùúrù. Kí ló dé? Olúkálùkù jáde láti oríṣiríṣi ilé ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá ló so wá pọ̀. So èdè àìyedè gbọ́dọ̀ wà. Àìgbọ́ra ẹni gbọ́dọ̀ wà. ṣùgbọ́n èyí tó ṣe padà bí ni pé ẹja nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa pé ṣé Yorùbá ni ẹ Yorùbá lèmi náà jẹ̀ǹdì ẹ̀ mú Yorùbá ni má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ Yorùbá ò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kọ́tà ń sọ nìyẹn àwọn ò lòdì síjọba a sọ pé ìjọba ò dáa a sọ pé ìjọba ò ṣe tó ni ìyẹn ò yàtọ̀ Yorùbá la sọ yẹn ẹni tó bá dé gbọ́ Yorùbá ló gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn ìjọba ò ṣe tó fún Yorùbá sọ́tẹ̀ fún anọ́jẹ́ kò ṣe tó wọ́n ṣe tó èyí tí ò ṣe tó yẹn là á sọ pé kí wọ́n tó sọ pé ilẹ̀ yìí ní 53 ni Awólọ́wọ̀ ti tanná sí gbogbo ibi tó pè ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kí wọ́n tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní 1952 l'Awólọ́wọ̀ ti ta títí dé 59 ló ta gbogbo títì ìgbèríko tó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kí ló wá dé tó jẹ́ pé títì ààrí títì rìn ààrómi ààríná kì í ṣe pé kò ṣeé ṣe ṣùgbọ́n wọ̀nbílíkì wọ̀bìà àjẹ ránu ó ti bá gbogbo wọn yọ so mo bẹ̀ yín ẹ jẹ́ ká pera wa mo mọ̀ pé olúkálukú wá láti oríṣiríṣi kìíní fight yẹn sẹ́yìn it's not only for Yorùbá nation it's freedom for Igboho and freedom for the people who are kept in incarceration mi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tó sọ ní court lẹ́nìí ní Èbúté Mẹ́ta bóyá ó ti fi àwọn 46 or 49 the Yorùbá 49 that's what we call them the Yorùbá 49 bóyá ó ti fi wọ́n lẹ̀ tó bá ti fi wọ́n lẹ̀ iṣẹ́ wa ni torí díẹ̀ gan àwọn tó wà nílé ṣe
but àwọn tó wà l'Abuja àwọn tó wà àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ 49 12 ni wọ́n.
ẹ ṣe bàbá wa ti sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ but wọn ti sọ tán Ọlọ́run lè ń jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ tán àmọ́ àkọ́kọ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn pé wọ́n wá join wa pé kì í ṣe kí wọ́n gbọ́ wọ́n rìn lọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ inú ẹgbẹ́ wọn ló máa gbọ́ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe tó máa pè wá ní tọ́ọ̀gì bọ́ọ̀ pè wá ní tọ́ọ̀gì wá kí wà lọ́mọ ẹlẹ́ran bọ́ọ̀ dẹ̀ pè wá lọ́mọ ẹlẹ́ran lọ́mọ aláta ni wá àwọn òṣè títí wá bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n dúró wọ́n gbọ́ pa fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan wọ́n jáde wọ́n dẹ̀ ti fún wa ní ìmọ̀ràn tó fún wa Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kọ́gbọ́n tọ́ lórí yín sá tí ò bá ṣe iṣu ẹni tó ń tọwọ́ ẹni bẹ epo tí màá ṣe wọ́n pa Nàìjíríà tí gbogbo wa nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ìlú tí gbogbo wa fẹ́ràn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tó wá di ìlú tó ń pa wá lábúrò tó ń pa wá lọ́mọ tó ń gba oko wa àwọn tó ń darí ìlú wa tí wọn rí anything bad about it olómú gbogbo wa wà níbi ilé ni tẹ́ bá wo history Nàìjíríà nígbà táwọn wà ní school àtúntò kúrò ẹja mi dáàdì a ṣe history ní school but ń sìn wọ́n yọ kúrò nínú education wa nítorí kí ni wọ́n ṣe yọ kúrò nítorí pé wọn ò fẹ́ kí àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn wa kọ́ mọ ìtàn bí Fúlàní ṣe wọnú Nàìjíríà títí ẹ̀ máa bọ̀ bí ẹ̀ máa bọ̀ wọn ò fẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ ìtàn bí Fúlàní ṣe wọ ìlú yẹn a dẹ̀ ń sọ fún wọn pé àwa máa mú padà wá we have to bring it back they have to know it
100%. History is back now in the curriculum.
It has to be back.
It's back.
So tó bá ń ka history kò dìgbà tó bá ń sọ fún wọn pé láyé ìgbà wo lọ́wọ́ títí tiwa ókè kò dìgbà tó bá ń sọ fún wọn pé kí wọ́n ti wá bá Yorùbá is living fine. Sẹ́rí dádì wa sọ̀rọ̀ kan lẹ́ẹ̀kan wọ́n ní Yorùbá èèyàn gidi ni wá aláàánú èèyàn agbàlejò mọ́ra tẹ́nibọ̀dì bá rí sí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tẹ́nìkan ta sí dádì fúnra onítọ̀hún ló sọ fún mi pé ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ bẹ̀ wọ́n because what I did is wrong. Yorùbá nìyẹn fún yín mo dẹ̀ capture lórí fíìmù pé yes this is how Yorùbá do àgbàyàn mọ́ra àgbà Yíbò mọ́ra àgbà Haúsá mọ́ra àgbà gbogbo mọ́ra ní ìsìn ọwọ́n tá a gbà mọ́ra yẹn ló wá di problem wa.
aṣọ́rẹ́ ṣe ni.
wọ́n bá ti ní nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ẹ bá pe mítìn báyìí Yorùbá máa mówó lẹ̀ wọ́n máa mú lẹ̀ ní.
ara wa ń ta wọn.
afẹ́ pé taxi bíi lásán ẹ̀wù báwọn ẹ̀wù gbogbo àṣẹ dáwọ́ jọ.
ara wa ń ta gbogbo wọn pé ìlú wa wọ́n ṣe jí pé wọ́n di gbogbo ẹ̀ mọ́ra wọn tó àwọn la tún yọrí jù láàrin wọn nígbà tó wọn á wò ṣùṣù pé kí ni kàn wọ́n ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ fi màálù bá wọn jà àwọn kan gbọ́n á bẹ̀ sí fi màálù jẹ oko wa nígbà tí àwọn ní oko ní north tí wọ́n gbìn nǹkan síbẹ̀ tí wọ́n jẹ́ kó màálù máa lọ jẹ nǹkan èso wọn àwọn àwa sórí oko yìí ṣé rí tètè máa ń bí mi lójú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé tẹ bá tún wá challenge wọn wọn á bá yín jà tẹ bá tún bá yín jà ẹ wá lọ police station wọ́n sábà ti lè drop case ẹ sí police station case ẹ máa dàbújá tó bá lè ti dàbújá case close bá àpá 50 nù yín ní ìgbọ̀ngbọ̀n mo gbọ́ sórí pé wọ́n ti ń pa wọ́n bẹ̀ láti ọjọ́ tó ti pẹ́ bí kò ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ adìẹ ní Nigerian government tá à ń sọ one Nigeria and we all want gbogbo wa kò sẹ́ni tó máa sọ pé wọn ò like kí Nigeria jẹ́ one Nigeria but nígbà tí Fúlàní dé tán ní wọn ò fẹ́ one Nigeria then let us go on our own ṣéjà wa ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ni so tẹ́ ẹ bá lè treat wa kẹ́ fún wa ní nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ eléyìí omi kọ́ pààyàn Ìgbòho dé kí ni Ìgbòho sọ stop killing my people tó bá gbọ́ Yorùbá ká sọ fún ọ lóyìnbó stop killing my people ẹ yé pààyàn wa mọ́.
Is that a crime?
Is it a crime? No. We are out today to stand for Igboho. Yes. Yes. Because he has not committed any offense. The offense you asked him that he committed, you, Nigeria, make him to commit that offense, and is that he's traveling with a fake passport. Let's say it and say it all. He has not committed any offense in Benin. So Benin governor should hold him down. Yeah, Benin government should hold him down. They should hold him because Nigeria wanted to kill him. That's why he did that.
He runs for his life.
He have to run for his life.
They killed people, took their bodies away.
They went to his house.
They shot people, they butchered people, and they took their remains away. Can they even produce those bodies? They can't. Why can't they? Because they are dismembered. You can't see them. We demand the bodies of the people killed. We saw the blood.
They will
They
produce.
look like gunshot.
Neither do they look like goats.
Thank you. And they dragged them out. They butchered that guy. What's his name again? Adogon. They butchered him because they shot him and the bullets weren't going through it. They butchered the guy. They cut him into pieces. Where's the body of Adogon?
But can't we demand for his body? Can't we demand for it?
Now, let's
They will.
see. Now, we need to be very strategic. We need to be very strategic. What do we want to do? We want to hit as many as 53 embassies in London.
Are we represented in all the embassies?
No, we are seeing the envoys. If we get there, we don't see the envoys. The same letter that was dropped at the United Nations will drop.
If you have a copy, yeah.
Yeah, we'll
They want to know what's happening.
A few people will go. Thank you.
So it's that letter that is a strategic letter for us to take to these embassies. We'll do the map, we'll take our names down, even we can enlarge it to as many people as we want, and then we'll give you 2 or 3 days notice that we're going to this embassy, it is in this place, please come along, and then we'll hit it, and then we'll go one by one. The reason why we're doing this is that ultimately the United Nations would have to sit on this matter. Now, if the United Nations is going to sit on the matter, if 2/3 of the members of the United Nations have not heard about it, it will just be for hearing sake. But if the embassies of all those nations have received a copy of the petition, it is very, very official for them to let their homeland know that we received this from Nigeria. It is now our own duty. We are going to set up a secretariat here in the UK, Free Yoruba Land. Free Yoruba Land Secretariat. We are going to set it. We are going to set it up in America also. The nations that we hit, Yorubas in those nations would now take a copy of the petition. Kò bá jẹ́ nìkan ló mú lọ sí embassy wọn ní ìlú yẹn. Then tó mú lọ sí Nigerian embassy. Tó mú lọ sí Nigerian embassy ní ìlú yẹn. It's like a web. So I get to the map by See, this is United Nations. 36 or 56 countries are here in Britain. See how I need Latin for Dubai. Taba hit 56 nations within the next 2-3 weeks. Kilo se tilling pattern so. You say pa kofe lo, afe ma do chira numbe. And lo, we are programmed. How many minutes come take Palati by Sibai or Yawa our plan movement to only hit 2-3 embassies in a day. Within a week, because answer you call Mama so. Then because embassy in Nigeria, what is happening? The embassy in Nigeria too was so tough. They will put Nigeria on that pressure. They get it off camera now. Yeah. But when we are discussing strategy, see, first of all, them work from outside. Internally, no. Our embassies, they go to my phone, look, this thing is getting out of hands. This is the strategy we want to do. We want to ensure that all the nations, 53 nations, minimum.
Yes. We have to do this. We have to come to Benin, the Republic of Benin Consulate, you see, in Crickwood. That's where we are now. We have to come and tell them that they should hold on to Igboho. They should not release it to Nigeria. That's the reason why we are here now. And we are doing a meeting. After we see them, we have to do a meeting to let them know. And to telling them the rest of the world knows we are here. This is our own business. This is what we have to do. Got our machine in there. This is what we gotta do. Can I have my cup there, please? This is what we have to do. Thank you. Yeah? No. What do you have to do? Oh, that's bad one. When we are going home anyway. So why do you throw this here? Who threw it? Oh, sorry. So, as I'm saying, we are here to come to the consulate and talk about, to tell them enough is enough. They should not release Igboho to them, to Nigerian government. Because we know if they release Igboho to the Nigerian government, we know what they will do to him. So that's what we are trying to do. Anywhere Igboho is, if it's still in their hand, and then we're using this opportunity to tell everybody to reshare this, to show a proof that after we did the rally in Parliament, we came to the Benin Republic. Let me show you properly anyway. Consulate. See that? You see that? You see? That's where we are now. To tell them that they should hold on to Igboho. The reason what anything Igboho did, he has been moved away from there, and they are discussing. No, they can't move him away. He should still have to be in Benin, because if they move him away, the Nigerian government is a killer. Yeah, we all know that Nigerian government is a killer. Well done, Babagbedu. Oh, thank you very much, my brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody that appreciate me. Don't forget to support the magazine. It's very important. When you say well done, support us too. You see, we have to drive down more than 4 hours to come and do this today. And we are planning to go to all the embassy That's what we are planning to do. You see, this is why the reason we're here. You see, I'm Igbo Osha. You see, I am Igbo. We have all of them here, and we still have. I stand for Igbo.
We stand, we support him.
Yeah, good boy. Yeah, I am Igbo. Ash, thank you. So every one of you can hashtag I am Igbo. And you'll see the people having the meeting here. They are planning what to do, rest in the world. This is people, you see their head. I support Igbo. You see? I support Igbo. After the first rally we did, these people have to jump in the cab and come here. You see people sleeping on the floor because they are so tired. It's our grandma that they believe in what is going. You see them. She's all right. Nothing happened to her. She's just having a nap. That's what they do. The moms come out. I'm going to use up this opportunity to say thank you to all our grandmas. Our grandmas have done a good job. Wọ́n jáde taratara. Wọ́n jáde togun lẹ́yìn ni. Gbogbo wọn àgbàlagbà yẹn wọ́n jáde. Wọ́n nọ́ra, wọ́n náwó. They have to take a cab down here. Pé ká wá wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ níbí. That's what they did. You see all of them. We have to come back to the Benin Embassy in Cricklewood. That's why we're here. But end of the day, surprise to us. So we have to stand with each other and let them know that they should not release Igboho to Nigerian government. Yes. Thank you, Sunday. Free Sunday Igboho. Osha is not an animal. Yeah, and yes, Sunday Igboho is not an animal. We know that. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you, my brother. You two are doing a great job by sharing. You two are doing a great job by sharing. Yeah, you're doing a great job by sharing. I am Igboho Osha. Yes, I'm too am Igboho Osha. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, Omo. Yo, the thing is running fast. Thank you very much. It's running. The thing is bubbling. Our efforts will not. Thank you. Good. You could see them. We could hear about them. What can we do? We have done our own as a party Titua. We've done our part. I am Igboho Osha. You understand me? The people are planning, but if you are watching, don't forget our next mega rally. The big one is October 1st. Please, October 1st, we shall be in London back again for the rally again. Igboho Osha is not an animal. Yeah, anybody that put anchor in Igboho Osha is doing the wrong thing. God bless you. Yeah, thank you very much. I stand with Igboho. Thank you everybody for standing with Igboho. We love you all for standing with Igboho. God will give you all. God will be with you, all my people. Yeah, God will be with you too. Nigerian government leave Sunday Igboho alone. Is not an animal. Yeah, thank you very much. I stand with Sunday Igboho. It's not an animal. Free out, freedom. Yeah, thank you very much, my brother. We really appreciate you, my Sunday. We really appreciate you. Yoruba Nation, we really appreciate everybody that's sending the text up. Olaniwaju Taiwo, thank you very much. I stand Igboho Osha. Yeah, hashtag. Please, let's hashtag I stand Igboho Osha. Let it be going up. Let's keep on. Let's keep on using hashtag Igboho Osha. Hashtag I stand with Sunday Igboho. Yes, let's start using hashtag I stand with Sunday Igboho. Yeah, hashtag. Let's start using it. Let's start using it. Let it get somewhere. Let's start using the hashtag. Once you are using the hashtag, if we get to them, they will see something. Thank you for screaming by Sunday Igboho. You see, Sunday Igboho is getting down. Hashtag Sunday. Yeah, let's keep writing it. Let's keep writing it. If you are watching me now, let's keep writing it. Let's go. I stand with Sunday Igboho. Let's hashtag it. Let's hashtag him. Let's hashtag him. I am Sunday Igboho. Let's hashtag him. Let his name going on. Let him going on. Let the name go keep on going. Let the name keep on going on. Let the name keep on going on. Let them keep on saying the thank you all. Yeah, thank you too. Those of you that are home, those of you that are in UK, that you are working at home, that you went to work, remember us, that we leave our work and come down here. Remember us, because we too need money as you need money. So don't forget us. So you can stand with us too. Don't forget the magazine. Don't forget Gbedu Magazine too. You can put your advert in there. It's very important, very, very important. Once you put your advert inside Gbedu Magazine, we can go anywhere and cover anything for you. It's very, very important. We have not been eating anything. We've not been eating anything and yes, okay. Okay, no worries. So we're using it. Everybody is coming in front of the consulate, Benin Public Consulate. You see, that's the board there.
So can we just line up for pictures, please? So that we'll have
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Iremide. Tell Ramide to get the camera. Please come and get the camera for me, please. Put this one. Yeah, Mumbo. Yeah, Mumbo. Yeah, come here. Please. Okay, my bye. Okay. Okay, you take maybe loader. You see, we take the picture with everybody there. Oh, wow, okay. Between one. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, wow, down deep, down this one. Wọlé báyìí sí ẹ lọ sínú.
You're facing the reflection.
Okay, ló ń wà.
Okay.
Wait, I need. Come on, sis, let me show you. When you're taking the picture, you take it from the edge of the. I'll position it here. Wọlé dáadáa. Iremide come.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbé poster yẹn sókè.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbà. Iremide, please come.
Just like that.
Ẹni sùúrù. I'll conjure. Let's make it professional, please, so that we could be able to use it. Ẹ wá báyìí, ẹ má bínú. Àwọn tó bá gé bánà dání nìkan wà lẹ́yìn.
Èèyàn légún.
Ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ wà bánà nìkan gbé bánà lẹ́yìn. Àwọn tó ní bánà nìkan wà lẹ́yìn, so that ẹnìkan bọ̀ ju wọn wájú. You have this in the back, please. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, ẹ mú eléyìí dání báyìí.
Ẹ wo iwájú ọ́fíìsì la wà ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ kó ẹ kó lójú ọ̀nà.
Ó dà bẹ́ ṣe súnmọ́ ìyẹn.
Don't drop it, I'll take it.
This one is the one that should go viral.
Okay.
This is the one that should go viral.
You're welcome, sir. Hey, uncle. Okay.
Ọkọ̀ lówó lélẹ̀ tó kọ̀ lù wá tó sanwó.
Ẹ má pa ẹ dúró bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó yẹ súnmọ́ra yín. Go in. And you two, please come in. Uncle, you need to leave that place.
I'll go to their back.
Okay, Remide. Evan going. Chairman, go to the back, please.
Yeah, and
Okay, no, you two go to the back there.
And then
raise the banner
raise
up.
the banner.
Okay, any sùúrù. Mommy, ẹ gbé banner yẹn fún wọn lẹ́yìn.
Abike gbé sókè.
Ní o mẹ́jọ kan gbé sókè máa cover ojú èèyàn.
Okay. Please, ẹ jẹ́ ká rojú yín.
Okay, ó wà okay báyìí, but any sùúrù. I got everyone. Mommy, ẹ wo bí o. Tell about ti wo bí èmi kọ́ o. Okay, look at it and do it for me again. And do this for me. And these are the people that come to Benin Republic. You see that? The people. And then, Sherimi. Aramide, look at the poster at the top. Not too high.
Make sure you capture everybody with
Everybody,
with the signboard.
Anyway, to capture, you know.
So hold on, let me just enjoy my tea now. I need that to my one there.
Yeah, you take this. I know what they want to take it. I'm for my.
Okay.
I thought I was about to do the get out of the camera. Okay. Ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣe yẹn later. Okay.
Bàbá fẹ́ ṣe dáadáa.
See ya.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká wọ.
Síbíọ̀n lẹ́bàá wọ̀.
Central.
Àwọn kan lọ ní láti bí ọkàn lé wọn jìnnà síbí.
Àwọn ìyá ìwọ̀n dá.
So this is the people that make their way to the embassy in Nigeria, in London, to tell them not to release Sunday Igboho. Ṣé ó tutù? Ẹ fún mi ní kọ́ńtà. Ask you got the phone. You gave it to ẹni sùúrù ẹ bá wọn padà. Ṣé òró mi ni? Láti wá ní ẹ.
Ìgbà táwọn sùkúl àwọn ṣe kiri ìyá ládìládì ẹwọ orúkọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ask for the phone. Hold on.
Ní lẹ́sìn lọ́wọ́ sọ pé ó yá ládìládì. Omi dà ó ti sọ. Pẹ̀lú bá a ṣe wá bíbá ilé yẹn sìn.
Ẹ jọ kí n tó mú fóònù yín lọ ilé ta ló ní fóònù. Ṣé títí yín?
Ẹ wo fọ́tò yẹn dà. Ṣé mo lè fi nọ́mbà mọ́mì rà?
No, it's for mine.
Tèmi ni.
So that's how we do it. We are planning of going back home now. Mommy, come by me so lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Okay. Ẹ lọ jókòó síbẹ̀ mọ́mí. Ṣeré wọn yà láàánú kọ́ fi lé wọn lẹ̀ àwọn à ń jókòó tí ẹ̀yin tẹ́lẹ́sẹ̀ tẹ́ ní gbogbo ẹ̀ ò jáde ńlé wọ́n tún bá lẹ́yìn gbàtà parí rallying wested wọ́n tún bá wa wá síbí yóò dáa fún yín ìyá àwa ti foríjì wọ́n ní generation yín ló da Nàìjíríà rù but a ti foríjì generation yín yẹn. Mọ́mì ńgbà kan tí mo kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ńgbà tí mo nígbà tí mo kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ program mi tí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe Yorùbá dictation lédi kọ́kọ́ pè mí ni ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ dàrú generation yìí kọ́ ni ọ̀rọ̀ ìjà mo lè ṣe interview fẹ́ nìkan ni yẹn ní gbẹ̀dú ó ti kẹ́ran mérò. Ẹ lè dàrú mọ́ mi. Ẹ̀yin lẹ sọ fún wa pé.
Nígbà táwa gbọ́ tó máa gbòmìnira, bàbá wọn náà pariwo. Bọ̀ síìkì, àsìkò iṣẹ́ mi ò kéré jù, mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ gbà yẹn, àbí wọ́kì. Síìkì ló lọ parapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn Haúsá. Òun ló dà wá. Àwọn tó tẹ̀lé nǹkan sí bàbá Haúsá ni bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ sọ ni. kò ní rí báyìí fún wa ṣùgbọ́n
Already Yorùbá ṣe tó kó wa sí kọ́tà tó sí.
Zik ló ń lọ betrayed òun àti bàbá pé mọ́ra Zik mọ́ra wọ́n jọ fọ́ọ̀mù wọ́n fi hàn ṣe everything ìgbà tó ṣe tó agree ó padà lọ bá Sàdánà Sókótó ìyẹn Zik ẹni tẹ́ bá lọ wo sí ìkẹta àwọn bíi ti tún sọ wọn gbé jáde lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta Zik ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ Zik bẹ́ẹ̀ ká papọ̀ mọ́ àwọn Haúsá òun ló jẹ́ kí ó máàjì wa pọ̀ tó pé ó ṣe bite fún bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀.
Iye náà la dé jẹ́
àwọn Yorùbá kọ́
Yorùbá ló máa ṣe báyìí.
Yípo wọ́n ti máa ń di aburú láti ìjọkíjọ. Àwa nífẹ̀ẹ́ Yípo àwọn Yípo nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa. Mo lè sọ bí Yípo wà lọ́rùn wa máa sọ. Yípo wọn nífẹ̀ẹ́ àwa Yorùbá.
Ṣùgbọ́n kò sí dọ́tà fẹ́ ṣe èyí ló máa ń ní ìjára wọn ni. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ wa, wọ́n ti fẹ́
Anyway, ṣe ti gbọ́ story wa. That's part of our story. So I'm going to end the broadcast for today. Please join me on my platform, Gbedu Waka About, anytime. Don't forget to support Gbedu Magazine. Love you all. At least we got about 20,000 watching us for the day. And then we still going to go up. And then we still stand with Sunday Igboho. God bless you all. And on behalf of me and my crew, say thank you very much. God bless you all. I love you all. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Bye.